You probably just got your first product and you're ready to ship it to the Amazon warehouse. And I'm going to show you how to ship your Amazon product into the FBA Amazon warehouse. And it's only going to take 5 minutes. But pay attention because a lot of new sellers make a huge mistake. So your first step is to go to Amazon Seller Central and log in. After that is to click Manage Inventory and scroll down to the item that you want to send into Amazon's FBA warehouse. You need to click on this little drop down next to the Edit button. Then you'll select Send Replenish Inventory. And just to show you how easy it is to ship a product into Amazon's FBA warehouse, I'm going to use a real example with my product, one of these Potty Time Adventures. If you don't know me, my name is Mindy. As a single mom, I started exactly where you are right now. I just wanted to be my own boss and have financial freedom. A few years ago, my daughter was very much struggling with potty training, but there was nothing on the market that gave kids tangible rewards. So I invented Potty Time Adventures. It's a potty training kit that gives kids prize rewards for every time they make a successful deposit. Within a month of me having this idea, Potty Time Adventures was in production. This idea saved me, and I rode that wave all the way to Shark Tank. There's a link down below where you can go check it out on Amazon. And now let me show you step by step how to ship your first product into the Amazon FBA warehouse. So now you'll click Send and Replenish Inventory. But pay attention because this is where new sellers make a huge mistake. Make sure to click the correct ship from address, because if this is the wrong address, it can cause a lot of issues. Trust me, I've done it before. And if this address is not correct, you can change it from clicking here. If you're shipping from your manufacturer's address, put their address instead. The next step is to look at the marketplace destination. And the amazing thing that happened recently was now Amazon actually handles shipments from China to the US. And you can set it up here from Seller Central. All you have to do is change the ship from address and add the manufacturer from China. And you can set up the shipment to have Amazon pick it up from China and have it delivered to the fulfillment center here in the US. The next step is to create a new case pack template and give it a name. For this example, let's say Potty Time Test. But pay attention here because the Amazon warehouse has some very specific requirements. For the case that contains your product and you're going to be shipping into Amazon, no side can be longer than 25 inches. And the box that contains your items cannot weigh over 50 pounds. Now, when I say case, that's just the box that holds multiples of your units. With Potty Time Adventures, the case or box holds 12 units. In this case, what we're shipping in, the dimensions are 13.5 inches by 12.6 inches and 19.8 inches. And each case weighs around 14.4 pounds. Now, if any part of this tutorial is confusing, leave a comment below and we'll answer all your questions. Now, there are still a couple more steps, but this is just an overview. And Travis offers more FBA Amazon tutorials in his Amazon FBA course with weekly Q&A calls, so you can ask questions at every step. So if you want more information, click on the link below. Okay, and the next step is for most products. You're going to click on No Extra Prep Needed. But double check this because adult items, baby products, and fragile liquid items may need extra prep. For my product, Potty Time Adventures, we didn't need any extra prep because it's a safe product with no additional parts. So we're just going to click Save at this point. One of the most important parts of shipping your products into the Amazon FBA warehouse is understanding the different labels. The first label for your product is called FNSKU. This stands for Fulfillment Network Stock Keeping Unit. This is a barcode that goes on each individual product that you're going to sell on Amazon. You can print out stickers and place them on every unit that you're going to be selling on Amazon. But a huge hack is that you can have your manufacturer print the FNSKU right onto your product, which will save you a lot of money and a lot of time. You can also have Amazon do this, but they're going to charge you 50 cents a unit, and that's kind of a lot of waste of money. For Potty Time Adventures, we have the FNSKU printed directly right onto the product. Next up, we need to let Amazon know how many boxes or case packs we're going to be sending in. For this example, we'll send in 10 cases. Each case has 12 units, so that's a total of 120 units being sent in. Then we'll click Confirm and Continue. The next step is to confirm shipping. Select a ship date, then Amazon gives you 2 delivery options: small parcel delivery or less than a truckload. Small parcel shipping is where you use a company like UPS. You can either drop off your boxes to a UPS store or have UPS come to you to pick them up. However, if you're sending in a whole pallet, you're going to want to use less than a truckload. This is where Amazon will send a truck either to your house or your manufacturer's warehouse, and they will pick up the pallets of your product. When you're first starting, your first shipment is probably going to be a small parcel. parcel, as you won't have as many boxes yet of your product. Now, Amazon has amazing deals with shipping companies like UPS. For our example here, this is going to be the total cost, which is going to be so much cheaper compared to if you were going to go and pay yourself at the UPS store. So we're going to click accept charges and confirm shipping. The next step is printing out the labels for the outside of your shipping cases. And make sure to pay attention here because there are two different shipping labels. The first is the UPS label for UPS to scan and track your package. The second is the Amazon FBA box ID label, so Amazon can track your package in their warehouse. Double check to make sure the weight and dimensions are correct and confirm your ship from and ship to address. Once you've confirmed all of this, all you need to do is print out your labels on a sticker paper or just a regular printing paper, and you can tape it to your box. But when you stick the labels to the boxes, just make sure they're clear and not covered by tape or anything. And from there, if you selected small parcel delivery, you can drop them off at the UPS store. Once you've sent your products into the Amazon warehouse, you can track and check their status. Just click these three lines up here and you're going to go to inventory, then go to shipments, and you can see a list of shipments that you've sent in. If you want to click on track shipment, you can see the details about all the information, and we can see that this product has been delivered. And boom, now you know how easy it is to ship your new product into the Amazon FBA warehouse, and it only took less than 5 minutes. That was just a quick overview. If you want to join Travis's complete Amazon FBA training program, you can click right here to get information. But if you're not quite ready to join the Amazon FBA training program, you can always get Travis's 10-hour free course by clicking this video right here. And if you want to check out my potty time adventures, there is a link below. Good luck with your new Amazon product, and thank you for watching.